Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to solve a common issue: how to fix AZ screen recorder voice and audio not working. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can adjust all your device's configurations, and it's usually found on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device, allowing you to manage their settings. Step 3. Select Manage Apps and find AZ Screen Recorder. This lets you access specific settings for the app, including permissions and storage. Step 4. Now tap on App Permissions. This is where you control what features the app can access, like the microphone or storage. Step 5. Allow all permissions, such as microphone, storage, and contacts. Without these, the app might not record audio properly, so enabling them is crucial. Step 6. Open AZ Screen Recorder again, and your audio problem should be fixed. This ensures the app has all the access it needs to function correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.